How to change text font and color in Reelshot. Make your text stand out in Reelshot by customizing its font and color. This slide will show you how to easily personalize your text overlays to match your video's style and branding. In your Reelshot project, tap on the text layer that you want to edit on the timeline. Once selected, look for the text editing options that appear in the toolbar. These usually include icons for font, color, and size. Since we can only add the text in the premium version, just follow the rest of the steps as said in the video. To change the font, tap on the font icon. It might look like an A or an F. A list of available fonts will appear. Scroll through the options and tap on a desired font to apply it to a text instantly. Experiment to find the perfect look. To change the color, tap on the icon. Often a color palette, a color picker or palette will appear. Tap on the color that you want to use for your text. After selecting, tap Done or Apply to confirm your changes. Now your text has a fresh new style. You've successfully changed text, font and color in Reelshot. Elevate your video's visual appeal. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot creative tips.